You guys, this pumpkin wall is like what I live for. I've already got some awesome stuff in my cart. Everything is 40% off and I am so excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you couldn't already tell by the title, it is going to be a very exciting day. I'm going to take you guys through all of the fall stuff that I have been buying. Most of this was bought within the last 2 weeks, but there are a couple items that I got like the second they came out. The second Target put like a leaf on the shelf, I bought it. Tjmaxx, I think they had actually some fall stuff out pretty early and I snatched that up. I don't know about you guys, but fall officially starts for me September 1st. I cannot wait anymore. I break out all my Bath & Body fragrances, the candles, the shower gel, the perfume, the decorations, like everything comes out September 1st because I'm so excited. I know it's like officially the 21st or the 22nd. That's too late for me. Like summer can come to an end at the beginning of August for all I care, because halfway through August I'm like, where's my autumn wreath candle? I'm like the queen of fall, okay? So stay tuned because I'm so excited to show you guys all of my amazing items. So here's a quick little overview of what I will be walking you guys through. It's not too bad. I didn't do too much damage, but there's a lot. I don't even know where to start, so I'm just going to start with the things that were right next to me. Kitchen towels. I don't think most people get as excited over kitchen towels as I do. That's okay, you will get there one day though. So this is a set of 4 kitchen towels from Tjmaxx. Like I said, pack of 4 for $8. Anyway, I love these towels so much. They have a cute little texture to them. I don't know if you can tell, but I grabbed some of those. And then another 4-pack of the Thyme and Sage towels, of course, but these are a different pattern. It's more stripes than the other one. We have a dark orange, a yellow, a beige, and a white. I love the orange. I live for the orange. Again, pack of 4, $8. Not bad at all. And last but not least, for the kitchen towels, a Hello Fall towel. I don't know why I like these so much. The first time I saw them in a Tjmaxx, I was like, this is not my vibe. It's a little too farmhousey for me. My style is very much modern, but I do like farmhouse elements in it. I saw this and I was like, this is just like a little too like country home for me. But then I saw it again at another Tjmaxx and I was like, I need them in my life. So this is a pack of 2 for $7. So obviously not as good of a deal as the other ones, but it's, you know, the design. So next I will start with the 3 cutest baby pumpkins I have ever come across in my life, ever. I don't know if you guys have a Tuesday morning near you. Until I moved here, I had no idea what a Tuesday morning was. They do have some pretty good stuff, I have to say. It's hit and miss. Every store is like hit and miss. There are times like I walk into Tjmaxx and I find nothing. It's rare, that's why we have this problem, but there are times. And this store, it's set up a little differently. Like I feel like you have to go on more of a hunt than you do on Tjmaxx, but they got the goods. So there's this little gray pumpkin gold handle, $3. I believe all of these were $3. Yeah, they're all gonna be $3. So another little gray like squash shaped pumpkin. I don't know if there's a real name for this type of pumpkin. I feel like there is. And then of course, $3. White pumpkin, gold handle. I just love white in the fall. The next thing I have for you guys are 2 mugs. These mugs, I love that noise. Okay, so these mugs are from Joann's. They were $10 each. No, they were both 40% off. They were on sale. I got you. So this one says sweater weather with the cutest little checkered striped pattern ever. It's gray and orange, which gray and orange to me are like the combo. Next one, I thought this was so cute, you guys. The next one is a pumpkin and like spice, and it says power couple. Pumpkin spice. I'm sure you guys got that, but I just felt the need to let you know. The next thing I have, I'm probably the most excited about, almost the most excited about. It's so comfortable. It's so soft. It is the prettiest color ever. I get these all the time and I can never have enough. you guessed it, it's blankets. So this blanket is by the brand Project 62. They're at Target. This blanket is $25. It is the softest blanket ever, you guys. The texture is so nice and like it feels so expensive, and it's not. The next items I have for you guys, these are going to be like a bunch of little items. So I got these. I'm going to break the stems off because that sounded mean. I'm not gonna like break them off because that sounds violent, but I'm just gonna pull the stems out. And these were $3 each at Hobby Lobby, and everything in the store was 40% off. I love some Hobby Lobby. So yeah, they're just gonna sit out somewhere. I have two, but the other one fell. The next two items I have are sparkly pumpkins. Like, are you shocked? I like sparkles, I like pumpkins. Here we are. So brace yourself. Are you guys ready? I never thought to look at this store, but Dollar Tree. So cute and like tiny and awesome. I get so excited over pumpkins. It's like probably something that needs to be addressed in therapy. The next item I have, I was actually looking for this. Okay, this is like on the list, so I feel like I did well. Let me try to turn these on for you. They are Halloween lights. Actually, they're fall lights. I guess they could be both. I think it says Halloween on here and it threw me off. Oh, well, it was next to a skull. I think they're fall lights. I'm gonna use them in fall. I might drape them across my bed. I usually have white lights because I'm like timeless and classic, but I think that would look better in the winter, and I might do something fun like this for fall. These were $6 at Tjmaxx. Next thing I have are these two things, and I don't know what they're called. I haven't been an adult long enough to know the fancy names for everyday items like these that like you always see, but you're like, what the hell is that called? I don't know. So these little things were $5 each, 40% off at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby always comes through. Fun fact, I love to bake. I live to bake. So this is a little Wilton brand silicone mold. There's obviously leaves and acorns, and I think they're so cute to make little breads or muffins. And it was a pretty good deal. They retail for $10, which is not bad at all. I got two, that's why I'm saying nay. And the next thing I got from Joann's was $9, but again, this was actually 30% off. This was on like a random sale. These are little cupcake liners, and they have the cutest little patterns. I'll name a couple of them. I'm gonna name all of them because that's who I am as a person. There's little fox ones, solid orange, leaves, solid blue, pumpkins, my favorite, and brown. I'm playing around with different recipes lately with the breads that I've been making and making them vegan and gluten-free, you know, whatever, and it turned out really good. So I think I'm going to try the classic cupcake that I always make in fall, and I'm gonna alter it a little bit so it is vegan for sure and definitely gluten-free, because I think that's actually the only flour I have now, so I don't really have a choice, but I will definitely be in my kitchen baking. The next thing I have for you guys is this giant bag of potpourri. I don't remember. Yeah, this one is scented. Okay, I have two bags, one's scented and one's not. This one is scented slightly, but I'm gonna like put my own spray on it because I need a little bit more of a scent. So you get, I don't know if these are supposed to be orange peels. I'm pretty sure they are. I think they're the cutest things ever. This is like my favorite thing. I remember when I was a kid, like coming home from school and there'd be like a big old basket of this that my mom had sprayed with stuff, and they're like cinnamon sticks in it, and it was the cutest thing ever. And you could just smell it like the first thing you smelled when you walked in the house. It wasn't a candle, it wasn't a plug-in, it was this. This is, it's a classic, you guys. Seriously, I love this so much. This also came from Hobby Lobby, but for whatever reason, oh, right here. $15, and this was 40% off. Okay, the next thing I got, honestly, if you don't get pumpkin spice treats for your dog, you're a monster. Period. Pumpkin spice treats for my dog. I saw these and I was like, oh my god, she needs these in her life. So pumpkin spice treats for my dog. There's not much to say about this. They were $3 at Tjmaxx. I don't know if that's a deal or not. It seemed fine to me. It says they compare at $5. I believe them. I bought them. All right, so the next thing I have for you guys is a little like fabric squishy stuffed pumpkin. I've been really into these this fall. I feel like these were not as popular last year, or I just didn't see them a lot last year, because I'm seeing them a lot this year. And if you're not seeing them a lot, it's probably because I bought them all, and I'm really sorry, because seriously, there were only like 4, and I think I got all 4 of them, but one was a Halloween one. That's a different video. This specific pumpkin was $8 at Hobby Lobby, 40% off. I know you guys just said it with me because you're like, she said Hobby Lobby, here it comes. It was 40% off, and it was. Okay guys, my next item is another plush stuffed pumpkin, and this one was also $8. This has the nicest feeling, like the crushed velvet with like the rose gold stem. I love it. Like if I were a pumpkin, here I am, you guys. And it is from Tjmaxx. I think I forgot to say about the last one. The last one was also from Tjmaxx. The first one was from Hobby Lobby. Love this. I love this so much. And I love the colors of these. This is almost so similar to the blanket, which I absolutely love. And honestly, I think I would be this pumpkin. She's got a little texture. She's a little more interesting. Okay, so this fall I set out on a mission that if I got nothing else, I would get a cute wreath for my door. And everything I found was either too big or too much like blue or just not fall colors. And I just wanted something that was nice, but not, you know, too much. And I think I found the perfect thing. This wreath, oh my gosh, I mean, there's glitter and twigs all over my floor, but it was $22 at Hobby Lobby. But say it with me now, it was 40% off. Okay, so I know you guys are gonna think this is like really random, like why is this in her video? This is not home decor. Sticky notes. Okay, I have sticky note sickness, if you will. I am obsessed with sticky notes. Every size, every color, every shape. It can be cactus, it can be dog. I don't discriminate. I love sticky notes. And these are so cute. Like such good fall colors, such good like school colors in this season. So you already know I had to get those. The next thing, oh, and these honestly, they don't have a price on them, so I don't know how much they were. But if I had to guess, I feel like, actually no, these were at Office Depot. I think they were like $13. I don't remember though. Anyway, I got these pumpkins at Hobby Lobby. It is a little mesh pack of pumpkins. It's like a blue, gray, a beige, and pine cones, and I love them so much. They're so soft. They're like velvety and nice, and I love them. So these were $8, and as you can probably assume, 40% off, of course. So we're getting down to the end, and I'm like kind of having withdrawals. Like I'm not ready for it to be over. So I've saved probably my 2 favorite pumpkins for last. This first pumpkin is white with a gray handle. It is the coolest shape, you guys. I saw this and I was like, no questions asked, she's mine. I love this so much. I'm just like, I look at it and I just smile because it is just the coolest shape, you guys. Like I am honestly starting to get sick of like having all of my pumpkins be like the typical pumpkin size. Like show me something different. So this pumpkin was only $10. When I looked at it, I was like, okay, it's probably like $15.99, but I'm willing to pay $20. $10. I'm obsessed. I love it. It is the best pumpkin I have ever invested in. The next pumpkin I have is more so, I was like, please don't let me break this. This is more so a pumpkin like jar. This is going in my kitchen. This pumpkin is from Tjmaxx. This pumpkin was from Tjmaxx too, and I forgot to tell you, but just assume everything's from Tjmaxx because honestly, most of it is. But this pumpkin was $8. Okay guys, of course, when I saw this at the second Tjmaxx I went to that day, it's the exact same one as the white one I just showed you with the gray stem. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's peachy, but it's not too peachy. It has more like orange undertones than pink, and it is just so fun. So I'm pretty sure this is $10. Yeah, $10 as well. I love it. The next thing I have for you guys is this gray pumpkin with a gold handle. It's just the big version of this. Does this not bring you joy? Like, I love this, like Mama Baby Pumpkin. It's perfect. I love it. These little ones, of course, like I said, were from Tuesday Morning, and that's exactly where I found this big one for $13. Not bad at all. And I don't even know where I'm gonna put this. I'm so excited. I might put it in my office, might put it in my bathroom. I don't know. The next thing I have is a small version of the pumpkin jar that I just showed you guys. This is also a jar. The lid comes off, and I think this one will also go in my kitchen close by that one. And this one is $6 at Tjmaxx as well. And I'm just gonna take the lid off of this one, probably like set it to the side, like half on, half off, so it looks like someone like knocked it over. I love stuff like that, like perfectly placed pieces, but it looks accidental, you know what I mean? But the last 3 items that I have for you guys, oh, it's almost done. I have more little pieces. I don't even know what I want to call these, but there's like white pumpkins, bronze pumpkins, yellow pumpkins. I mean, this is just such a cute little pack. We get so many little pieces. This is from Marshall's. It was $5. Last 2 items are food related, so you already know I'm happy. These are pumpkin spiced butter toffee candied peanuts. I don't know if your mouth is watering, but like mine is. This sounds so good to me. I don't know why. I love like candied like toffee nuts, but throwing pumpkin spice in them here. So I got these at Tuesday Morning for $4. It says they retail at $8.50. I mean, they're peanuts. I don't really know like a typical peanut price. The last item I have is this Sweetie Pie ground coffee. It's of course pumpkin coffee, because would Aspen find a will to get up in the morning without pumpkin coffee? Probably not. So I just recently got a French press, and I'm going to put this into my French press and see what happens, see if it turns out good. But this coffee was from Tjmaxx. It was $5, and I'm really, really excited to try this. I've never seen it, and I don't know if it's because I wasn't looking or if I wasn't out shopping early enough and I was too late in the month and my Tjmaxx was out, but I found it this year and I was like, I've got to have it. Okay, you guys, I actually had to wheel everything in here because it was seriously so much stuff. I mean, but at the same time, I feel like it's not that bad because I'm probably going to use like all of this. And everything you guys see here, if it's Glade, it's from Target. Everything else is Yankee Candle, Bath & Body Works, and Tjmaxx or Marshalls. So go out and get you guys some fall stuff. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. I am so excited to post this for you guys. I love, love, love fall, and I want to make sure I get this out early enough so if you guys want any of these goodies, you can go grab them before they're gone because they were going quick. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.